Hello and welcome to the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. My name is Chanel Bunger, and today I'm excited to speak with Rick Kess of RSM, who joins us weekly to share insights into some economic trends that he's keeping an eye on. Rick, thank you as always for joining me. Why don't you take it away and tell us about what you're seeing going into the end of 2024?
Yeah, well, thanks for the introduction. I think, historically, December in the private equity world starts to see, a pretty significant slowdown just between the holidays of Thanksgiving and then obviously the holidays at the end of December. And we'll, continue to see that. I do think, we're hoping for 2025 to start off very strong. I think we've seen a lot of things that will help us get there between interest rates being cut a little bit, really positive economic data when it comes to jobs, inflation, and overall interest rates and things of that nature. And then, I think that's the other thing of just all the pent up demand that's been there, all the dry powder that's available for putting to work. We again expect 2025 to start off strong. I do think that, with 2025 being a year that will, bring in, a change of leadership from a presidential perspective as well as in Congress. There could be other things that will have impacts related to that. I know that there are people anticipating, perhaps, a change in economic policy related to importing and exporting goods and how that might impact our overall kind of buying trajectory of how we purchase our goods and how we purchase our raw materials in terms of companies that create product. But for the most part, most of what we will see in 2025 from a political perspective is yet to be totally known. One can predict, based on what different candidates said on the campaign trails and kind of what their histories would show, but we'll see where they can actually get things changed or affected and how that might impact our overall private equity world. But overall, we remain very bullish for 2025, thinking that, we'll see fairly good size increase in deal volume, and hopefully deal value as well. But, we'll see where those things shake out. But I think kind of given all the influencing factors, I think we're still feeling very, like I said, optimistic about the next 3 to 6 months and hopefully the whole year of 2025. But I think a little bit of a increase of activity, hopefully a little bit of a flurry of activity in the first and second quarter of the next calendar year.
Perfect. Well, Rick, thank you as always for joining me today. Looking forward to picking it up in 2025. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
When you're part of a military family, you understand sacrifice and support. At American Public University, we honor your dedication by extending our military tuition savings to your extended family. Parents, spouses, legal partners, siblings, and dependents all qualify for APU's preferred military rate of just $250 per credit hour for undergraduate and master's level programs. American Public University. Value for the whole family. Learn more at apu.apus.edu/military.